and for that you will have to visit online counseling session by VIT. So this is basically the main portal where you will get all the choice filling related information. So that is the what you have to type, vit.ac.in. And once you go there, it will take you to the online counseling procedure at BTech admission. If you click that you will get into this login page where you will be asked to fill application number, password verification, and then submit. And there will be guidelines also with respect to how you have to use the updated browsers of Google Chrome or Mozilla only, and some other guidelines related with the common counseling process. So basically you can read about these instructions, and once you are able to log in with the login password, the first screen it will show you is your VT 2025 results. So you can see basically rank is 2017, and then at the bottom you are going to see your counseling dates which are applicable based on your rank. So since this season was from phase 1, so he will attend the counseling as per the date and time and the choice filling duration which is mentioned in the bottom of the sheet. Now then you see the declaration by the applications. That is the first step. So it basically talks about different eligibility criteria that you should keep in mind, like 60% in physics, chemistry, maths or biology in the 10+2 level, and that you are aware of this. Plus there is a date of birth criteria that you should be born after 1st July 2003. So those are the things, and it says that if you are not agreeing to that or you are giving wrong information, your admission will be cancelled. Now certain check boxes are there, so I have read and agreed to the above declaration. You have to fill all those check boxes related with declaration by the student and the information on fees. You have to use that checkbox, then it will take you to the fees page basically. So you see guideline to pay the counseling fees, complete process is there, net banking, credit card, debit card, and all those are there. And there are two payment gateways, PayUBiz and Paytm. So you can use any of these two. And the charges related with credit card is 1.1%, and with the Paytm credit card is 1%. So you can read all those. Now you have to choose any one of the payment below. So you can choose be like Indian Bank 1.1% or the Paytm which is 1%. On the right side, if you click, so say example Paytm, then clicking on the Paytm will take you to the Paytm way of payment, and you can then select any of the prepaid debit card, credit cards, net banking, login with Paytm and other things, and complete your payments, right, using any of the banks. After you are able to complete the payment, you should be able to download the counseling fees bill, and it will show all the transaction amounts as well as text data which you can save for your future purpose. Next activity is when you click on the important dates. So I have spoken up to counseling fees, important dates. It will show all the phase 4 up to phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4 and phase 5 counseling which is at the bottom. So all the dates are this mentioned in the portal itself. You don't need to see other videos. Next it will show you the fees details in the fees details tab. So you can see there are campuses which are mentioned and the courses which are mentioned, and then there are program A fees category which I am currently showing. So in programs A, there are category 1, category 2, category 3 and category 4 fees are there. Fees are there, some plus some caution deposits which are refundable, etc. are there, right? So that is there. Similarly, in the bottom of the page, you will see group B programs, and within the group B programs, campus wise, which are the group B programs available in different campus. Those information is there with the fees data. So you can check all the fees, and after that, now you want to go for the choice filling. So this is the screenshot for the choice filling. You can check BTech programs, campus, branch, etc. Details are there. And important is that choice filling starts on the 10 a.m. on the first day of the choice filling, and it can go up to 5 p.m. on the closure at day. So in between that time you can do any choice filling changes. There is no first come first serve type of thing here. It is completely based on the ranks which you have got, and the allotment is based on ranks. You can automatically change the choice filling as you number of times you want, but if you don't submit it, automatically the last save version will become your choice filling order, right? So that is the instruction given at the screens, right? And then if you start, you have to select your programs. You can select BTech. After that you have to select your campus. 4 campus will be visible. You can select any of the 4. After that you want to select the course also. The large number of course options are available by campus. So since you have selected Vellore, whatever courses are available in Vellore, that will be displayed here. Then it will show you something called fees category 1 to category 5 fees. You can add based on the order of what preferences. You can select many of these categories, and then it asks you to select minors, right, which can be core only or CSC or AIM or data science. Many options will be available on your screen. So you basically add and save, then you will be able to see your first entry which is already done. Then you can keep on doing many entries, and every time you have to successfully add it and this message will come. So you can continue adding more and more options in the choice filling so that you get some seat allotted. So again, change the campus, Bhopal for example, and add the courses. So you have seen now the courses are there from many campus: Vellore, Chennai, AP, Bhopal. 4 choices you have given. Now there is also option to edit priority. For example, you have given Vellore as 1 priority, but if you want to change it and make it 2nd priority, you can do by there is a edit button, and you can see it will allow you to basically edit it, right? So you can check here. So in spite of 1, you can put 2 there and put 1 in Chennai, so that you are giving Chennai as the first preference, and then you have to update priority. So automatically your details are updated, will be changed, and then you can go back, and if you want to delete any of the choice fillings which are done by you cannot delete the lower category unless you delete the higher category. So that message will flash if you do mistake. So no worries, now you have got the 4 choices, 1 from Chennai, AP, and 2 from Bhopal. Based on your rank, you have put this as a registered choices. You can check here. So the choices are registered. Seat alignment, it will show the date on which particular date the results will be out. For example, the first phase, it was 10th May 2025, 6 p.m. And then it will say that once the seat is allotted, program, campus, category cannot be changed. So that is the important message. It will display that this is your final allotment, and then you have to pay the advance fees, etc. So that's all, complete walkthrough of the step-by-step process, so that you miss on anything. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.